heavy rainfall and possible flooding for northern Queensland over the next couple of days as the remnants of ex-tropical cyclone Myla move across the Cape York Peninsula. Hi, I'm Christy at the Bureau, and let's start by taking a look at where Myla was situated last night. Now, last night, ex-tropical cyclone Myla was over the northern Coral Sea, well off the coast of Queensland. But through the overnight and morning period, the system has moved closer to the coast. But you can see how it's really broken up as it moved close to the coast and developed into an extended area of low pressure. As we go through the rest of today, that low pressure trough will move slowly closer to the coast. We will see showers increasing along the coastal region from about the Whitsundays north to the tip of the Cape York Peninsula. There is the potential also for some thunderstorms. These are most likely along the coastal fringe and most likely through the later afternoon and into the evening. We're also expecting to see showers starting to push into the central parts of the Cape York Peninsula late tonight. But as we move through tomorrow, that system will make its way across the Cape York Peninsula. We'll continue to see showers and thunderstorms along the North Tropical Coast, but they'll also extend right across the peninsula into the northern goldfields and upper Flinders and also parts of the Gulf country and the Gulf of Carpentaria. On Thursday, the system will continue to move towards the Northern Territory. We will see quite widespread showers and thunderstorms through northern Queensland, including into the central west and northwest districts, and also into eastern parts of the Northern Territory. So how much rainfall are we expecting with this system? Well, let's take a look at the rainfall between this morning and the end of Friday. We can see a quite widespread yellow and orange areas. Now, these are the areas where we could see between about 20 and 70 to 80 millimetres. And you can see that it's quite patchy, and that's because there will be areas of heavy showers and thunderstorms embedded within the moderate rainfall. So some of those heavier falls might be a bit hit and miss. However, we have had a lot of rainfall over northern Queensland in recent weeks, including from Tropical Cyclone Narelle. So these catchments are very wet, and any of those heavy showers or thunderstorms that develop could cause localised flash flooding and also some river rises. However, it's really the North Tropical Coast where we're most concerned about the risk of flash flooding with thunderstorms, and you can see these purple and red areas showing where we could see 1 to 200 millimetres or even a little bit more if we see a series of thunderstorms moving over the same area. Now, not only is this the area that's most likely to see flash flooding associated with heavy showers and storms, it's also the area most likely to see riverine flooding, and a flood watch has been issued. Now, this is for the Daintree and Mossman rivers up in the north, the Mulgrave and Russell rivers around Cairns, and also the Tully, Herbert and Murray rivers down further south. This is most likely for minor flooding, but there is the potential to approach the moderate flood level if we see some of the higher end rainfall that is possible. So if you live in northern Queensland or know somebody who does, it's going to be really important to stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings on the Bureau's website or the BOM Weather app. As always, follow all advice from your local emergency services, and please stay safe.